Merry Christmas anyway, sir. God bless us, everyone, said Tiny Tim the last of all, and joy to the world.
I'm gonna see you guys when I wake up more, because I'm about to kind of look cute though. Not the edge kind of lasting. Oh, shoot, I didn't charge my computer last night. Okay, I'm back. I pants I promise. Yeah. This is so funny. TikTok is just hilarious. Also, I know it's 5 a.m. It's like, I woke up at 5. It's like 5:20 right now. You know how everybody's like, yeah, like I wake up and I just don't touch my phone? That is not me. You know why? Because I just don't care. There's just so much there. Like, of course, like I don't jump straight in. No, I literally do. I just check to make sure nobody's died or anything. I put this shoulder up and I put this shoulder up. I'm not even gonna finish that. Anyway, I was thinking about editing, but my dumb can't find my passport. So, oh, also, I just wanted to tell you guys, guess who got into English Honor Society? Alright, okay, I'm really gonna go now and like read my book, because I'm just talking to y'all. Y'all don't give a, like, y'all don't care. I just unplugged it. I don't.
I admit it, another hoe got me finished. Broke my heart, oh no you didn't. Fuck sipping, I'ma down a whole bottle. Hard liquor, hard truth can't swallow. Need a bartender, put me out my sorrow. Wake up the next day in a Monte Carlo with a new woman. Tell me she from Colorado and she love women. She'll be gone by tomorrow, who am I kidding? All the jealousy and agony that I sit in. I'm a jealous boy, really feel like John Lennon. I just want real love, guess it's been a minute. Pissed off from the way that I don't fit in. Tell me what's the secret to love, I don't get it. Feel like I be running a race, I'm not winning. Ran into the devil today and she grinning.
My battery's dying, but I just wanted to show y'all my outfit real quick. So I'm wearing these cargos. I got them from Shoe City. I'm wearing my Pierre Hardys, this sweater that I took from my mom, my regular school shirt, which is from Children's Place, and then this turtleneck, which I got from, I'm back. I got this turtleneck, which I want to say I got from Forever 21. Yeah, so this is the fit. I just need to like put on my final things, so like my perfume and stuff, and then I have my oatmeal upstairs cooking. I'm gonna eat that real quick, and then I'm gonna head out the door. So I'll see you guys when I'm heading out the door. She looks just like a dream, the prettiest girl I've ever seen. A common misconception that I feel like people have is that they can only use perfume or body spray, and body spray is for what it's for. Perfume, it's for your body, and perfume, you're not supposed to spray it, and I feel like that's why sometimes people smell too strong. Alright, I'm packed, so let's get it going. Hi vlog. Is it recording? See, it just went really dark all of a sudden. It's a little bright, but I'm about to do my makeup. I think I'm gonna be doing heavy makeup too today. When the devil say no! We're not gonna talk about how dusty. Are my ankles ashy? No.
Change of plan, guys. So the lighting is really fucking museum, and it's also about the clothes here. It's fixed full.
Okay guys, so we just finished taking my pictures and we're about to take Billy's on the steps right here. We're going to the metro after this so we can take a couple. I have two types that I want to take there, so I have to do 2 outfit changes, but we gotta find a bathroom first, so.
Of Anything Goes is brought to you by Instagram. Everybody is a work in progress, and every day is an opportunity to shape and develop your identity by being inspired by something new. Prior to now, there was no way to learn about things. Origins of identity is the fact of being who are, but all of that, for whatever reason, brought me confidence. The fact that I could keep my legs around